Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know. I forgot to film an intro, so here I am, 2 in the morning, editing this video, and I'm barely filming this intro, really? I'm barely filming the intro, but if you're not subscribed, remember to subscribe to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up if you like my makeup tutorials. And if your notifications are not on, what the fuck are you doing? Hello? Turn them on right now. Now. But yeah, you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup tutorial. So I brought y'all back another tutorial with the blue eyes and little diamonds, little moment or whatever. So yeah, you guys, if you're new, hi, welcome. I'm Alisa Perani. I do vlogs, makeup videos, all types of things. Subscribe if you're not subscribed, turn on notification, and then give this video a thumbs up or a like if you want to keep seeing more videos like this. And enough of me talking, let's just get straight into the video. I'm gonna start by moisturizing my face, and I'm using this Neutrogena oil-free moisturizer, and this is for combination skin. Yeah, I already told y'all that I have like combo skin. It's not oily and it's not dry, it's like in between. Alright guys, so now that I showed ya what I did with my eyebrow, so I am gonna go again with the Color Studio Pressed Powder Eyeshadow from Beauty Glazed, and it looks like this. So it has like all your shades that you need for a colorful look, but I will go in probably a little bit with the I'm gonna go in with this blue shade right here, and then I'm just going to, as always that I always do this, I just pack on the eyeshadow first, just in my crease area, you guys, just in the crease area of the axis. And now what I'm gonna do is just blend a little bit over the crease, just to start blending the eyeshadow and not have such a harsh line. I'm gonna go in with the fluffy brush. It's kind of dirty, but it's okay. Blend it with the fluffy brush, the harsh lines. Okay, so now that I kind of blended out that shade, it's kind of chalky. I don't know why it's not working. Maybe it's because the concealer that I used didn't really blend well with the eyeshadows. But now I'm gonna do this eye off. I'm gonna do the eye off camera just to see where I'm gonna go with this look, and then I'll come back on and do this. Alright guys, so I am finally done with this eye. Maybe I will go touch it up a little bit more later because I do want to intensify it darker here. But as you can tell, I did a glitter liner up in the cut crease and on top of my wing liner. So that's, I'm gonna show you how I got that done. So just tapping motions in the cut crease, like so. Now going in the James palette, how I showed y'all, and I'm just gonna go in with that one. So right away I'm gonna start blending, you guys, because I don't want the harsh line to stay there how it did in the other eye. Okay, now going in with the LA Girl Pro Concealer, I'm gonna cut the crease with this. I just like to open my eye, just like extend it a little bit, and then I like to tap the concealer first where I want, all over my eyelid before I cut the crease. Just tap it like that. Then now I will start cutting the crease. So after I'm done tapping and kind of mapping out where I want my eyeshadow to be, now that I'm done cutting the crease, I'm gonna go back in with the blue shade in the Beauty Glaze palette, and at the end of my corner, at the end of my eye in the outer corners, I'm just going to tap that blue again just to set the eyeshadow, just to set the concealer, and then start working my way into blending it in. So like I said, I do like to extend my eye a little bit just to get into all the creases. So now that I'm done putting the blue in the outer crease, I'm gonna go in with the James palette, and I am going with the light blue shimmer shade, middle of the inner corners, not taking it all the way to the inner corners. And in with the Jaclyn Hill palette, this is the Vault collection, and this is the Armed and Gorgeous one, and you already know this is my favorite white shade, so I'm gonna go in with this one. This is VIP, I believe. This is a really white, and I'm adding this just to the inner corners, you guys, and then working my way up with it. I am gonna go with this navy shade right here, the dark one, just a tiny bit because it's really pigmented, and I'm gonna add it to the outer crease. I'm gonna start blending the outer corners so you won't see a harsh line, because you know that's not cute. With the Armed and Gorgeous palette and using that white shade, I'm gonna add this to the brow bone. Using these glitters from JCats, I did show ya in my beauty supply store haul. I think in my last video I did show ya that I got these from there. And this is Mystic Highness, and this is Icicles, Winter Icicles. So I'm gonna mix these two in with a clear eyeliner. This is the brush one, so it gives you see how that line is really precise, you guys. I literally just take out the eyelash glue brush out the bottle, and I outline my crease. So let me show you. Dipping into the lighter blue, I'm gonna just put the lighter blue into the inner corner and then the darker blue in the outer corner. Alright guys, so now that I'm done applying my lashes, I am going to start with the face. But first, I'm going to apply the Ruby Kisses lip oil before I apply foundation, because I don't like when, like, you know how when you put foundation, it gets like all over your lips, and then like, I think I'm going to go instead with Macaroon. This is in 230N, so it's like a neutral shade. And I'm going to mix it with the LA Girl Pro Coverage in Fair. You guys, do y'all see how matte this foundation and full coverage it is? That's wild. Look at this. It looks so flawless. I did set my face and bake with the Jeffree Star Powder in beige. I always use this shade. So I did set my face with that. Just a little bit because I don't like the navy blue shade. And I'm just going to add this underneath my eyes. you have now reached the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.